The aerospace industry is one of the most complex manufacturing sectors in the world, where precision, safety, and efficiency are top priorities. One company with a reputation in this field is Piaggio Aerospace, an Italian aircraft manufacturer, known for its design and technological innovation, particularly in turboprop aircraft like the P.180 Avanti. Aircraft assembly line is not simply a process of assembling components into a single unit, but rather an integrated system involving various disciplines: mechanical engineering, electrical engineering, avionics, and quality control systems. At Piaggio, this line is designed with a modular approach, where each aircraft part is assembled step by step at a separate workstation. The process begins with the creation of the aircraft's basic structures, such as the fuselage, wings, and tail. The materials used are typically a combination of aluminum and lightweight composites. Piaggio is known for optimizing the use of composite materials to improve fuel efficiency and aerodynamic performance. Once the main structure is complete, smaller components such as the wing panels, control surface systems, flaps and ailerons, and internal frames are assembled inside. This method allows work to be carried out in parallel, speeding up the overall production process. This stage is one of the most complex. The avionics system, electrical wiring, fuel system, and hydraulic system are assembled with high precision. Every cable and connector must meet standards, as even a small error can cause system failure. The turboprop engine is installed in the final stage of the main structure. The engine's unique position on Piaggio aircraft is located behind the wing, providing aerodynamic efficiency and a quieter cabin. At this stage, major components such as the wings and fuselage are joined. This process requires specialized tools and laser measurements to ensure perfect alignment. At Piaggio, digital alignment technology is often used to ensure millimeter-deep accuracy. Once the structure and systems are complete, the aircraft enters the finishing stage, including painting and installation of the cabin, interior, seats, and passenger comfort systems. This stage also reflects the aesthetic quality and comfort of the final product. Before an aircraft is declared ready to fly, a series of rigorous tests are conducted, from ground system tests to flight tests. The quality control team ensures that all safety standards are met in accordance with international regulations, such as those from the EASA and FAA. The collaboration between Baykar and Piaggio Aerospace is not without reason. Baykar is widely known for its successful military drones, such as the Bayraktar TB2, which has been used in various conflicts and has become a symbol of the renaissance of the Turkish defense industry. Piaggio Aerospace, on the other hand, has extensive experience designing advanced turboprop aircraft, most notably through its legendary model, the Piaggio P.180 Avanti. This collaboration combines Baykar's expertise in avionics systems, unmanned aerial vehicles, and military integration with Piaggio's expertise in aerodynamic design and turboprop engine efficiency. The result is an ambitious project aimed at creating a high-speed aircraft without sacrificing fuel efficiency, a key advantage of propeller-driven aircraft. Turboprop aircraft are typically slower than jets, but more fuel efficient and capable of taking off from short runways. In this project, Baykar and Piaggio are attempting to break these boundaries. By optimizing wing design, using lightweight composite materials, and using more efficient engine configurations, the aircraft aims to surpass the speed of conventional turboprops. One design inspiration comes from the Piaggio P.180 Avanti, already known as one of the fastest turboprops in the world. However, the new version developed in collaboration with Baykar is rumored to offer significant improvements in maximum speed, aerodynamic efficiency, and mission capabilities. Furthermore, the integration of digital technology is a key focus. Advanced avionics, artificial intelligence for navigation, and semi-autonomous operation capabilities are added values that differentiate this aircraft from previous generations. Baykar is also likely to incorporate technology developed for drones into the aircraft's control system. This fast turboprop aircraft is not only intended for military needs, but also has significant potential in the civilian sector. In a military context, it can be used for reconnaissance missions, maritime patrols, and even tactical transport. Its high speed provides an advantage in quickly responding to emergency situations or threats. In the civilian sector, this aircraft has the potential to be an efficient regional transportation solution, with lower operating costs than jets, but speeds approaching those of light jets. It could be an attractive alternative for regional airlines and charter operators. Turkey's move through Baykar to develop the world's fastest turboprop aircraft also has geopolitical dimensions. In recent years, Turkey has sought to reduce its dependence on foreign defense technology and strengthen its domestic industry. This project is part of that strategy. The collaboration with the Italian company also demonstrates Turkey's pragmatic approach to building international partnerships to accelerate technological development. This could open new export opportunities and strengthen Turkey's position in the global market. Economically, the success of this project has the potential to create jobs, increase investment in high-tech sectors, and stimulate innovation in the aviation industry. While ambitious, this project is not without its challenges. Developing a high-performance aircraft requires significant investment, extensive testing, and rigorous certification from international aviation authorities. Furthermore, competition from global aircraft manufacturers such as ATR and Canada is also a factor to consider. Technical aspects such as high-speed stability, fuel efficiency, and engine reliability are also key focuses in the development process. Every innovation must be thoroughly tested to ensure safety and optimal performance.